This brownie mochi recipe is delightful in a way that it is dense, chewy, and chocolatey. It is also a gluten-free recipe. If you're a fan of brownies, you will definitely love this recipe. In a saucepan, combine 65 grams of butter, 85 grams of bittersweet chocolate. Please use semi or bittersweet chocolate. 25 grams of unsweetened cocoa powder, 240 grams of milk, and stir over low heat until the chocolate melts. It takes around 5 minutes. Remove from the heat and allow to cool for 15 minutes. In a bowl, whisk 225 grams of sweet glutinous rice flour, 225 grams of sugar, 4 grams of baking powder, 2 grams of salt, to the cooled mixture, add an egg. When adding the egg, quickly stir to prevent from baking. Pour in 180 grams of strong coffee. The coffee helps to bring out the deep flavor of chocolate to its best, as well as the salt and vanilla extract. 2 grams of vanilla extract. Whisk until combined. And if you don't have coffee, you can add milk or coconut milk. Pour the saucepan mixture into the bowl and mix until well combined. Do not overmix. As you can see, the batter is very runny. Pour the batter into the pan, or in my case, a glass, and bake around 30 to 40 minutes under 180 degrees. Don't mistake the brownie to be undercooked just because a batter mixture is found on your chopsticks. Let it cool completely. Need to be very patient and let it cool completely around 1 hour to half a day. Then cut into bars and store in an airtight container at room temperature for up to 4 days. You're in for a real good treat. These mochi brownies are chewy, dense, and full of flavor. My little daughter gives the approval nod. These are really easy to make, so give it a try.